In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Spotify desktop account. Before we begin, it's important to know that you can't permanently delete your Spotify account from inside the Spotify desktop app itself. Instead, you'll need to use the Spotify website in a web browser. So if you've been looking through the desktop app and can't find the option, that's completely normal. Start by opening your preferred browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or any other browser you normally use. Then go to the official Spotify website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have more than one. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile name. A small menu should appear. From there, select Account. This will take you to the Spotify account overview page, which is where you can manage your account settings and access support options. After you arrive on the account page, scroll down until you find the Help or Account Support section. Since Spotify doesn't always place account deletion directly in the main settings area, you may need to use the support pathway to continue. Search for Close Account, then select the option that says Close your account and delete data. Read the wording carefully so you choose the permanent deletion option and not something else. Next, Spotify will ask you to confirm what you want to do. If you currently have a premium subscription, you may be prompted to cancel premium first before the account can be fully deleted. If that applies to you, complete that requirement and then continue. After that, click Continue and follow the prompts on screen. You may also be asked to confirm your email address, so be sure the information matches the account you're closing. The final step happens in your email inbox. Check for a confirmation message from Spotify. Open that email and click the link that says Close My Account. This final confirmation is what completes the deletion process, so don't skip it. Once that's done, your account will be permanently deleted. Keep in mind that deleting your Spotify account removes your playlists, saved songs, followers, and listening history. So before you go through with it, take a moment to make sure you're ready to lose that data permanently. If you're subscribed to Premium, remember that cancellation needs to happen first. And as a general tip, always double check that you're closing the right account before confirming the final email step. That's how to delete your Spotify desktop account using the Spotify website.